my channel. I am Tamajit Chakraborty and you are watching Rick Hacks. So I would like to tell you one thing, that I have changed my channel Infodie Micro to Rick Hacks. So you can now search Rick Hacks and subscribe my channel. So today I will make the gaming steering wheel. So this is the gaming steering wheel. Let's play the game. So how it make, let's see. Friends, to make the gaming steering wheel, I have to cut this type of a piece like a steering. And now I have to cut the mobile area. Already cut this type of two circles. Now I paste it into this. Friends, it is fully pasted. Now I have to paste this shape into this. Like this. Okay friends, let's paint. Friends, I have fixed it very well. Now I have to make its holder. At first I have to make its rotating mechanism. Friends, I had made the mechanism and already fixed into this. You can see it. Now I have to make its holder. So let's make the holder. Friends, take a box to make the holder and cut it like this. And I had already drawn a pencil line. So now I have to cut this line. Friends, I have cut the both sides. Now paste this piece into this to matching this line. Like this. Now let's paste. Friends, I have filled this part with this. Now I have to cover this. Friends, to cover this area, I have cut such a piece of an cardboard. Now let's paste this piece into this. Friends, I have pasted this. Now let's turn it into the back. Let's open it. And you have to take a heavy weight, like a heavy wood, and put it into inside this. Like this, and paste it within it. Friends, it fixed. You can see it. Now let's shut the box. Friends, I have closed the box, and to cover this area, I have cut this type of piece. Let's paste it into this. Friends, take a roll of this side. Take the holder and paste the roll like this. And friends, to give it more support, take a piece of cardboard and paste it there for more grip. And friends, our holder is fully completed and it is too heavy. Okay, now take the wheel and take a old mobile cover for the extra grip of mobile. And now let's paste the mobile cover into the steering wheel. Friends, I have fixed the mobile cover and now let's test. Yes friends, this is fully worked. There is more grab. Friends, it is fully completed and now it is ready for play. So let's play the game. So friends, next day I will come with a new craft. Bye bye.